All right.
You recording?
I'm recording first flight of the P-51 with flight controls.
Okay, I think what I'm going to do is take off, go around a pattern like that, and land from...
Okay, now are you in beginner mode?
Yep, in beginner.
All right, there's a little bit of breeze, but not too bad. It's pretty stable.
Hopefully you should be pretty good. Okay.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, it wanted to fly so bad there. I didn't even have time to react. Okay, I guess we're taking off this one now.
Whoa, all right. Look at it go.
Oh my God, it's fast.
It'll go slower into the wind. Good job, good job.
My
Nice,
chair's
looking good.
blocking my view.
Looking good, looking good.
It is so fast.
All
Oh
right.
my God.